Good morning, everyone. Once again, we are here with our online English class as we are discussing the chapter. And the name of the chapter is A House is Not a Home. A House is Not a Home, which is written by Zan School. In the previous class, we had seen that how the author had, sorry, how the author had found that the boy with his mother just lost their house, everything, whatever had there, everything that was finished. Now, for them, they have to rebuild it each and everything. किस तरह से वो बच्चा ऑथर और उसकी मदर का सब कुछ चीज खत्म हो चुका था, उन्हें नए सिरे से अपने जीवन की शुरुआत करनी थी, सब कुछ चीज नया होना चाहिए. So we have seen that how the author has lost each and everything, even its favorite pet cat also. उसका favorite pet cat वो भी उसे नहीं मिल रहा था. So the author walked to his house. After that accident happened in his life. The author walked through his house to the school. Everything has been destroyed. Only the photos, albums, letters, pictures, or documents left it. His heart ached for his heart pain for his cat because he thought that he had lost his cat. Author का ये मानना था कि उसने अपनी वो cat खो दी. His mother took him soon from there. They would have to find a place to live. Now their main target is that they have to find a place. क्योंकि सब कुछ चीज खत्म हो चुका था, उनके पास सब कुछ भी चीज नहीं बचा. इवन ऑथर के पास ना कोई स्कूल बुक्स, नोटबुक्स, शूज, नथिंग लेफ्ट, कुछ नहीं है. नए स्टार्टिंग से सब कुछ चीज करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. ऑथर का तो ये विश था कि वो खुद खत्म हो जाए, मर जाएगा. उसके पास कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं दिख रही थी. उसे ऐसा लग रहा था कि उसकी लाइफ एंड अप हो चुकी है, सब कुछ चीज उसकी लाइफ से खत्म हो चुका. वो कैसे करेगा, क्योंकि एक तो उसने अपने फादर को खो चुका था, अब दूसरा उसे ऐसा लगता है कि वो उसकी मदर को कैसे हैंडल कर सकता है. Okay, so this much we have seen that how they have faced the problem and how now they will rebuild it each and everything. आज हम पढ़ेंगे किस तरह से वो नए अपनी लाइफ को नया स्टार्टिंग देना चाहते हैं. Okay, now take out page number 52. Page number 52, second paragraph, that is, there was no time to grieve. Now I request Ridhima Kabra to read page number 52, second paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. There was no time to grieve. My mother rushed out of the house. We would have to find a place to live, and I would have to go buy some clothes for school. We had to borrow money from my grandparents because there were no credit cards, cash, or even any identification to be able to withdraw money from the bank. Everything had gone up in smoke. That week, the rubble that used to be our house was being cleared off the lot. Even though we had rented an apartment nearby, I would go over to watch them clear away debris, hoping that my cat was somewhere to be found.
Read it. Hoping that my cat was somewhere to be found. Ridhima. Okay, fine. She was gone. I kept thinking about her as that was vulnerable little kitten. In the early morning, when I would disturb her and get out of bed, she would tag along after me, climb up my robe, and crawl into my pocket to fall asleep. I was missing her terribly. So here, the author says that Zan could not grieve the loss of his cat because they had to rebuild their life. Zan अपनी पेट कैट का गुम होना, उससे अलग होना सहन नहीं कर पा रहा था. It is a very painful for him. They had now the conditions that they had to arrange a place to live in. They have to arrange clothes and some important items which were necessary for the life. They have to arrange all those things. They had to borrow money from his grandparents as they did not have their credit cards, cash, or any identity proofs to withdraw money from the bank. Now the condition is that there is only one way. There is only one hope is that they have to borrow money from their grandparents because they didn't have any cash cards or credit cards or any identity proof because that proof will be helpful, but now everything has burned it, सब कुछ जल के खाक हो चुका था, अब कुछ भी ऐसा उनके पास प्रूफ नहीं है जिससे वो मनी विथड्रॉल करा सके बैंक से. So the only hope that they would have to take help from their grandparents. After some days, the workers were removing the remains of the burned house. कुछ दिन बाद क्या हुआ कि जो उनका घर था जो बिल्कुल पूरी तरह से चल गया था वहां पे कुछ वर्कर्स they were removing the remains, whatever left they were just removing it. They were living in a rented apartment nearby, but Zen would visit his old house and see the workers. Now they were living in a rented apartment. किराए में वो लोग रहने लगे और Zen every day he used to visit his old house and see what the workers is doing every day. Maybe there that is the attachment of him. वो उसका अटैचमेंट था घर का जो बार बार उसे उस तरफ खींच रहा था कि वो डेली उस घर पे जाके देखता था. He wished to find his cat there. उसे एक होप थी कि मुझे मेरी कैट हो सकता है यहाँ पे, बट फिर भी यही लगता था कि कैट होगी कि नहीं होगी. He had lost her, but kept thinking of the poor soul. However, it would wake up when Zen disturbed it, then followed him, climbed up in his gown, and would fall asleep while sitting in his pocket. He missed her. He remembers some of his sweet memories with his cat. कि कैट कैसा करती थी उसे याद आता है कि किसे से उठती थी, उसको फॉलो करती थी, उसके कान पे जंप करती थी, and sometimes also sitting in his pocket also. So he missed her very much. वो उसे बहुत मिस करता था. Now next paragraph. I request Dev Sharma to read it next paragraph. Dev Sharma.
Yes, ma'am. It always seems that bad news spreads quickly, and in my case, it was no different. Everyone in high school, including the teachers, was aware of my plight. I was embarrassed, as if somehow I were responsible. What a way to start off at a new school. This was not the kind of attention I was looking for. The next day at school, people were acting even more strange than usual. I was getting ready for gym class at the locker. People were smiling around me, asking me to hurry up. I thought it strange, but in the light of the past few weeks, nothing would surprise me. It almost seemed that they were trying to show me into the gym. Then I saw why. There was a big table set up with all kind of stuff on it, just for me. They had taken up a collection and bought me school supplies, notebooks, all kind of different clothes, jeans, tops, sweet suits, sweet suits. It was like Christmas. I was overcome by emotion. People who had never spoken to me before were coming up to me, introduce themselves. I got all kind of invitations to their houses. Their genuine outpouring of concern really touched me. In that instant, I finally breathed a sigh of relief, and though for the first time that things were going to be okay, I made friends that day.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now here, Zen thought that the bad news spread faster because everyone, including all the teachers, knew about his sad story. Each and everyone in that locality knows about this sad story. Zen felt very embarrassed, as if he was guilty for all that had happened. Zen को बहुत फील होता था कि उसे ऐसा लगता कि सारा जो कुछ भी हुआ वो उसके साथ बहुत बुरा, वो उसके लिए अपने आप को ब्लेम करता था। उसको ऐसा लगता था कि उसकी लाइफ में सब कुछ चीज खत्म हो गया, नथिंग वाज देयर। He was getting attention for all the wrong reasons. Mind में बहुत wrong thoughts, opinions आने लगे कि जो भी कुछ हुआ, it is because of him. Okay. The next day, it was the school that was very unusual one. Zen was changing for the gym class when students gathered around him and asked him to hurry. वो चेंज कर रहा था अपना ड्रेस फॉर द जिम, ही वाज रेडी। एट दैट टाइम स्टूडेंट्स गैदर्ड हिम एंड दे कॉल्ड हर जस्ट बी हरी अप ज़ैन। ज़ैन वाज accused to strange happening and so did not react much. समझ में नहीं आया क्या हो रहा, what is going on. The students pushed him into the gym and he realized the reason when he reached. उसे धक्का दिया जब वो जिम के अंदर एंटर किया तब उसे समझ में आया। There was a table full of articles like notebooks, clothes, stationery items. It felt like Christmas time. Okay, so in that table, all the necessary stationery things are there for Zen. Zen got emotional. He became emotional. He made new friends. They invited him to their houses. He was moved by their concern for him. Now, day by day, Zen became friendly with the new friends. He felt relieved because it was for the first time that he felt something good was happening to him. उसे पहली बार लगा कि उसके साथ अब कुछ अच्छा होने लगा। Before that, उसे यही लगता था कि उसके साथ जो भी हो रहा है, that was very bad. God was not with them. God उनके साथ नहीं है, ऐसा उसका ये मानना हो गया था। उसने अपनी होप सब कुछ चीज खत्म कर दी थी। It was the first time that he felt something good was happening to him. He made new friends that day. उस दिन उसने बहुत सारे new friends बनाए। इस तरह से लाइफ चेंज होती गई, धीरे धीरे लाइफ चेंज होती गई। Now proceed to the next paragraph. A month later, I was my house, watching them rebuild it, but this time it was different. I wasn't alone. I was with two of my new friends from school. It took a fire for me to stop focusing on my feelings of insecurity and open up to all the wonderful people around me. Now I was sitting there, watching my house being rebuilt when I realized my life was doing the same thing. So after a month, Zen visited his house as it was being rebuilt. Now again the house rebuilt it. He had two friends with him. The incidents transformed him. Now the life goes on a very smooth way. Life reformed him, changed him. We came out of the negativity we thought, came out of the negative opinions and made new friends. He realized that just like his house was being rebuilt, similarly his life was also being rebuilt. जिस तरह से एक घर खत्म होने के बाद दूसरा घर बनता है, उसी तरह लाइफ में भी अगर हमारे कुछ पुराने दोस्त हो जाते तो हमारे लिए आगे नए दोस्त भी बनते हैं। Now he understands that this is a life circle and it goes on and on. It never stop. It will continue. ये कंटिन्यू होती रहती है एक स्टेप के बाद। कई लोग हमसे बिछड़ के चले जाते हैं, हमें छोड़ के चले जाते हैं, लेकिन लाइफ चलती रहती है, लाइफ एंड नहीं। Okay, now he understands this concept. Now the next paragraph. While we sat there on the curb planning my new bedroom, I heard someone walk up to me from behind and say, "Does this belong to you?" When I turned around to see who it was, I couldn't believe my eyes. A woman was standing there holding my cat. I leaped up and grabbed her out of the woman's arms. I held her close to me and cried into that beautiful orange fur. She purred happily. My friends were hugging me, hugging the cat, and jumping around. After that, they sat on the pavement and they sat on the outside the house and were planning Jen's bedroom. Friends और Jen मिलके अपने bedroom के बारे में planning कर रहे थे. At that time, someone walked up to Jen from behind. कोई आया उसको पीछे से and asked if the cat that she was holding belonged to me. जो cat उसने पकड़ा था उसने पूछा क्या ये cat तुम्हारी है? Jen grabbed his pet cat. उसे तुरंत छीना and held her close and cried it out. Tight से पकड़ लिया और feel किया कि yes, it's my cat. On union with her master, the cat made a happy sound. जैसे उसने hug किया उसे, cat को भी यही feeling हुई कि वो भी बहुत खुश है. Jan's friend shared his happiness and jumped around. Jan's के friend ने उसकी खुशी के साथ खूब खुश हुए और वो भी बहुत celebrate करे कि उसकी pet cat मिल गई थी. Last, we are going to end up the last paragraph. Apparently, my cat had been so freaked by the fire that she ran over a mile away. Her collar had our phone number on it, but our phones had been destroyed and disconnected. This wonderful woman took her in and worked hard to find out whose cat it was. Somehow, she knew this cat was loved and sorely missed. As I sat there with my friends and my cat curled up in my lap, all were overwhelming feelings of loss and tragedy seemed to diminish. I felt gratitude for my life, my new friends, the kindness of a stranger, and the loud purr of my beloved cat. My cat was back, so was I. So due to the fire, due to the incident happened, Zan's pet cat behaved strangely. The cat might be shocked by that incident. हो सकता है उस cat से उसे कुछ धक्का हुआ लगा हुआ and ran almost away और वो दूर चली गई भाग. Although their phone number was written on the collar, उसका phone number था collar में, but the phone had already been destroyed. सारा phone connectivity सब कुछ destroy हो चुका था. The lady could not able to contact with them. She made efforts to trace their address to the number and thus reached them. मगर उस लेडी ने बहुत मेहनत की कि इस कैट को उसके मालिक तक पहुंचाया जाए. She made efforts. She could make out that the cat was being missed by her master because the cat was also sad and missed. और उस लेडी ने किसी तरह से पता करके उस कैट को उसके मालिक तक आखिर में पहुंचाया. When Zan sat with his cat, his friends, the sadness disappeared. जब Zan cat के साथ उसकी friend के साथ बैठा, उसकी सारी परेशानी खत्म हो चुकी थी. He was happy and thankful for getting a new life, which got him new friends. Kind woman returned to his cat and his pet cat. He got a new life. So a kind woman, new friends, making new friends. Now everything goes on changing in the life of that Zan. Life बिल्कुल change हो चुकी थी. वो एक सब कुछ उसे मिलता जा रहा था. उसे ऐसे लगा कि जो चीज मैंने खोई थी वो सब मैंने पा ली. हो सकता है कि दोगुना. So this is the story about a house is not a home. I hope you must have understood this story.